Johnny Depp might no longer be playing the revered Captain Jack Sparrow in the Pirates of the Caribbean franchise. But that doesn't mean his acting days are entirely over. So what new movie role has the very controversial actor been tapped to play? Johnny Depp may still have some legal battles to slug out and fight, but the 58-year-old seasoned actor has secured the bag in another way. Depp has, however, landed a big win outside court, when the casting bombshell was announced via a recent article by French website Saddle Effects, that he has been cast as the controversial French King Louis XV, his first major film role since being cancelled following accusations he abused his ex-wife Amber Heard. According to Variety, the film is scheduled to begin filming this summer. Depp's next project will be taking the father of two out of the US to France, per Variety, as he is set to star as King Louis XV in the film by French director Mai Wen, who will co-star in the film as Jeanne du Barry, a countess that was Louis XV's last mistress. No plot or title for the film has been released. Louis XV was nicknamed Louis the Beloved and reigned for 59 years, the longest in France's history after Louis XIV. Louis gained popularity among his constituents during the War of Austrian Succession, where he took to the battlefield himself and seemed to take charge of the country's leadership, according to biography.com. Despite his nickname, Louis XV died as an unpopular king, amid accusations of corruption. Variety reports filming will last about 3 months, and mainly take place at the Versailles Palace. As many of you may not know, Variety in its news report has stated that Depp had at one time resided in France for many years, with his now ex-partner Vanessa Paradis, with whom he shares his 2 children, and the performer will have to work in his French in the likely event that the film is shot in that language, as Variety has noted how Depp's American accent is noticeable. It is true that Johnny has been absent from the silver screen for a long time, following his embroilment in controversy ever since he was accused of domestic violence by his ex-wife, Amber Heard. Depp has been part of the Pirates of the Caribbean series since its inception in 2003, and the star has gone on to appear in all 5 of the franchise's films, contributing to its box office earnings of $4.52 billion, but whose status on the upcoming 6th installation hasn't been confirmed. After getting dropped from so many of his movie roles, such as his beloved Captain Jack Sparrow character in the Disney Pirates of the Caribbean franchise, which he's been a part of since 2003, and being forced to step down from his role as Grindelwald. But after the defamation lawsuit against a UK tabloid, The Sun, which called him a wife-beater in regards to Heard's alleged abuse at the hands of her then-husband, it looks like the actor's luck is about to change for good. Depp's career has experienced a serious downturn ever since the domestic abuse allegations made by Heard. And although the actor most recently made an appearance in Andrew Leviatis' 2020 film, Minamata, a movie about war photographer W. Gene Smith, the movie has, however, failed to get released in the US. It appears as though Johnny is slowly breaking through the curse of being cancelled in Hollywood, as it is reported that, apart from Depp's upcoming movie, the movie star is currently filming an animated miniseries called Puffins. Back in September, you might recall Depp speaking in the Spanish city of San Sebastian. Before accepting an honorary award at the film festival, Depp said his being enshrouded in a controversial situation has become so out of hand, claiming he had been a victim of cancel culture in the movie industry, and warned that no one is safe, while urging those also affected by the same faith to stand up for themselves. Depp told the audience in Spain that he saw himself as a victim, and was concerned about the wider implications for society. Ahead of taking the stage to accept his award, Depp offered his thoughts on canceling culture, and called on people to stand up for those facing injustice. While accepting his award, Depp gave a speech saying, "It doesn't matter if a judgment, per se, has taken some artistic license. When there's an injustice, whether it's against you or someone you love, or someone you believe in, stand up, don't sit down, because they need you." He then praised the event organizers and thanked his fans for their undying support, and for not buying what has been, for far too long, some notion of me that doesn't exist. Depp reiterated his innocence, saying, "I haven't done anything, I just make movies." The fall of Depp's career, so to speak, prompted the actor's die-hard fans to launch a petition set for 1 million signatures, and well on its way with 600+ signees, calling for Disney to call back the actor and reinstate him to play the eclectic Captain Jack Sparrow character. The petition is gaining so much news that Inside the Magic reported nearly 10,000 signatures get added in less than a week. Not only have Depp's fans got their petition calling for the actor to be rehired rolling, the Alice in Wonderland actor also has a legion of online soldiers, championing the #JusticeForJohnny movement. The petition, started by Depp's fans to point out how the actor's reputation, work, and finances is greatly suffering, and how Depp and Depp alone is taking all the fault as the scapegoat, even though the court proceedings have shown that he also suffered abuse at the hands of Amber. Not only has the actress, since speaking out about the alleged abuse, gotten a lot of support from the public and her industry colleagues at large, the domestic violence activist has also been able to retain her cast membership in her movie roles, such as the upcoming sequel of the Aquaman movie. Peter Safran, a producer in the yet-to-be-released second installment Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, said the movie star isn't going anywhere, defending their decision to keep Amber in the sequel, and confirming that Heard will be reprising her role in the film as Mera. Despite the petition calling for Heard's removal from the Aquaman sequel making the rounds online, with thousands of signees, mirroring Johnny's petitions to keep him on, the producers of the movie came on to say their team won't bow to fan pressure, and will do what is best for the movie, as it is the exact opposite of Depp's fate since the abuse allegations made the news, and it is believed the same extreme measures are not being taken with Heard. Of course, some people were quick to point out the double standard against Depp. One fan said, "So Amber Heard, who has lied, conned, and paid her way through this trial with Johnny Depp, is still working on the Aquaman movie and not in jail? WTF." Another fan also noted that Warner punished Johnny Depp, but Amber Heard gets a free pass? Warner Brothers, without fans, you don't have a job. Johnny Depp's fans have his back. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard were married in 2015, after dating for a few years after meeting on a movie set. Heard then filed for divorce only a year later, in spring 2016. Heard, in an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018, described being a victim of domestic abuse within one of her relationships. And even though Amber did not specifically mention names in her write-up, Depp is taking legal actions against his ex-partner, because according to the Fantastic Beasts actor, it is clear Heard was referring to him as her abuser, allegations Johnny has vehemently denied, but claims to have been very damaging to his career and reputation, which has led him to suffer tremendous financial losses. Subsequently, Amber got a restraining order against her ex-husband. The back and forth between the couple has been going on for years, and continues till date, which has made Discovery Plus to be producing a two-part documentary, Johnny vs. Amber, which will examine their battle from both sides, including Depp's current lawsuit against Heard. The case is set to go on trial this spring. Are you excited about Depp returning to the big screen? And will you be watching Johnny in the upcoming movie? Do you think canceling Johnny was fair? Or should he be called back to play his movie roles? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. See you next time, and thanks for watching.